Lettuce is one of the most versatile crops, probably one of the most frequently grown and consumed vegetables. And this particular variety is called Super Jericho and has become one of my favorites. Prior to growing this variety, I was growing one called Vivosun. Both are romaine and quite large. Some romaine lettuce is much more colorful and diminutive in terms of its size. In fact, I would probably allow this to grow and harvest the entire head, whereas the Super Jericho lends itself well to harvest methods such as picking the outer large leaves and allowing the inner smaller leaves to grow in size for additional pickings. I have already picked off of this group of plants and harvested about a gallon bag full of leaves. The system that I'm using is an AeroGarden Bounty. It's a 40-watt model. And of all the lettuce that I've grown in terms of the romaine family, this seems to have a wonderful combination of a light, buttery, sweet, crisp leaf. And while it grows quite well using a 40-watt light, I did find out that as the plant grows higher, that the intensity of the light can brown the edges of the leaves, and compared to some of the other varieties of romaine, I do try to maintain a spacing that helps to prevent the browning on the leaves, yet give me the rapid growth that you see right now. It's currently day 38 from seed, so to have a harvest already and to have this large of a biomass in terms of available pickings in 38 days is simply amazing, and one of the reasons that I really enjoy and would endorse this particular variety of romaine lettuce.